Hello guys, this is Kotak as them Ultra Hack Me room walkthrough. So let's get started. So firstly, let's go to this website where we have to test it. So this is the website. Alright, and let's run an nmap scan. So nmap-sv to get the version number and the name. So the name is nmap and it has started. So till the time nmap is loading, let's go and check its source code. So to see the source code, one needs to press Ctrl U and then you can see the source code. So over here we'll try and find something useful in the comment section. So we find a comment, check console for extra surprises, and we also find something which looks like a username and a password because it looks like Pokemon and like colon and then something. So it's usually user under like colon and the password. So let the nmap scan run and let's see the results. Alright, so we'll check over here. We found this just by looking at all of this source code. Alright, and this is, I don't think this is shown over here. This is over here though. So nmap scan is finished and port 22 SSH is open. So let's try and connect there. SSH Pokemon @ the IP, and it will ask me for the password, which let's put at the Pokemon, and let's check. So this guy just put his username and password out in the comment section so that like everyone, because no one reads the comment section of the website, right? So now we are inside as the user whose name is Pokemon. Alright, so let's try and find something. Let's do ls-la all, and places I found something is this Pokemon zip, and there is something in this Kota. So let's go to Pokemon zip. Alright, so Pokemon zip is in desktop. So cd desktop ls, there's a Pokemon zip. So let's unzip this, and now if you'll see, it has been unzipped. Let's go to the file, and yep, we found out the grass type answer. So if we actually cat this file, it is a hexadecimal value, so we need to decode it from CyberChef. Alright, just do from base64 and it can be decoded. Okay, so now we know that every answer is in the form of type. Now we need to find water type. So I'll use the command find all -name name, and the name should be anything and should end with -type, and should end with, it should contain this. Alright, and it should have type.txt. Okay, let's find this, and to remove errors I am going to use this symbol, 2 greater than /def/null. I'll press enter. Now it's currently finding. Okay, so it has found two files. One is this water type, another one is this fire type. Okay, so I'll just wait for the find command to finish. Yep, it also found this grass type in which we currently are. We just saw this one. So to get the answer for this one, you need to decode it via base64. Okay, so location was, one is in var www html, and okay, let's go there and let's cat water type.txt. Alright, again we got something. So this is a Caesar cipher with its encoding can be maybe with 1, 2, 3, 4 or maybe 14, I don't know. It is like root, it has a value which you can again go and go to the net and you can do this. Okay, so now let's go to this fire type, which is in cd etc. Why am I here? So why am I here? And now let's cat fire type.txt, and again we got some value. Now this is base64 encoding. Alright, and this one is hexadecimal. I'm really sorry for that. This is hexadecimal. This is not base64. This is hexadecimal encoding. Alright, so we have found all these 3 flags. And what is Root's favorite Pokemon? So we found another directory in videos, you can see over here, which looked suspicious maybe, which is Gota. So let's go to cd /home /Pokemon, which is username, and videos. ls, let's go to cd Gota, ls, let's go to cd catch, ls, let's go to cd them, ls, and cdo. So you finally found out this file. So let's cat this file, and we got the username and the password. So now let's switch user hash and the password, and we are hash. So you can just use switch user root, and I don't think that will work. Yes, so sudo su, and maybe let's try this. Yep, this worked. So now you can see we are the root user. You can see who am I actually, I am the root, and I can also go to cd, where should I go? Let's go to home, ls, and you can just see this is the final answer, and that's it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.